Hello everyone, welcome back to all those who are a part of this community, and to those who are new, hit the subscribe button and be a part. So we'll be having our DSTL examination tomorrow. So I'm here with the best notes, best exam strategy that you should follow if you have not started anything. So still we have one day and one night left with us. So here's the maximum possible time in which you minimum possible time in which you can complete your entire syllabus and score a really good score. Minimum 85% you can score if you start your preparation one day before, or even one night before if you follow this strategy. So stay tuned. So since we have only one day or one night left whenever you are watching this video, so we need not to read the entire quantum or read the entire notes. We need to follow some smart strategy to cover the important topics. So I'll be sharing some important resources. Last page of every section in the quantum, you'll find some very important questions which most likely to come in your university exam. So make sure you cover all these topics. There's no need to mug up this entire quantum. Just read and understand the concepts of all these topics. So in the first unit, the set theory is extremely important, and you must have read this part already in your intermediate. And in mathematical induction, exactly what we have already studied is there, so you can easily cover this part in 1.5 hour maximum. I am saying this. Just if you find difficulty in any topic, then just open YouTube video. Do not read notes or something like that at this time. Then from unit 2 also, there's a very important topic called group theory. In group theory, I highly recommend you pay a visit to the Knowledge Gate channel, and they have a curated playlist on group theory, and you can easily cover the topic. Just play that playlist at 2.5 2x speed and cover the group theory from that topic, from that playlist. And then there are some important topics like Lagrange theorem and the fields, and these are some certain important topics like cosets. They are most likely to occur in your examination, like group theory. See algebraic system, cyclic group, abelian group. Maximum questions in the important sections are also from group theory and Lagrange. Just do not miss any of the topic in the important section. So in unit 3, this part is extremely important. I highly recommend you for this unit. Be prepared, and there are high chances to get a 10 marks questions from this part, third part, as you can see in the important questions. See, out of 8 questions, K-map, last part, combinational circuits, logic gates, Boolean algebra. 4 out of 8, 4 questions are from this part. And then this introduction of posets is very important, and this upper bound also. But 2 marks questions are most likely to occur from partial orders and posets. Like and Hess diagram is extremely important. Make sure you do not skip this topic. Last unit, binary tree is extremely important. This question was asked in my PUT examinations in 10 marks, and it's very simple. It's exactly similar to what we were doing in data structures. So if you have studied trees and data structures, it is exactly similar to this one. You can even skip this topic if you know data structures. And in graph part, there is no coding and all. There's just introduction and different types of graphs and all this. Do read this topic. Some definitions might be asked from this topic. And generating functions is extremely important. There's high chances to get a 10 marks questions from this part. And I'll be providing the notes of generating functions. So in generating functions, there are some predefined rules, we can say, or some methods to solve the questions. I have written all the methods step by step and everything. So I'll put these notes in the description box below, and they are very short, just hardly 4-5 pages are there. You can easily cover. So you can cover unit 5 in 2 hours itself. And for unit 4, I have the curated notes. These are very small and very accurate and good notes. You can refer to them. I'll provide the link in the description box. Everything is covered from the actually for unit 4 you need not to go through quantum as well. You can easily cover everything from these notes itself. So that's all for today, and I have received a very good response on my previous video, guys, on COA. So show your love on this video also, and make sure you subscribe to the channel if you have not. So bye guys, all the best.